That's how close it's gonna be. It's gonna work. It's gonna work.
I like your confidence.
Cuckoo Jew.
Need a little blue.
Needs a little blue. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's another day here, and in the last video we did reach out and ask y'all to help us out to push us over that hump to 1,000 subscribers, and let me tell you, boy, did y'all answer. So thank you very much. So go ahead and hit that like button for yourself, because you did a great job for us. You know, overwhelming support. We do have 1,000 subscribers, so we got new goals now. So we're going to get on that. So while you're here, if you hadn't already subscribed, go ahead and smash that button and hit the like button too. Leave us a comment today, because we got lots and lots of exciting things lined up for this channel. So what we're going to do today is we've got this bed that we picked up on the Facebook Marketplace. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to start getting that thing ready. You know, just doing some sanding and blocking and banging and beating and, you know, kind of straightening everything out so we can get this thing ready to get it painted and put it on our truck. If we got enough time, we want to try to finish putting that inside together. So that would be something that would be really good for us to get done too. So you know what? We're going to hop to it right now. Our new bed, it don't have the holes cut in it for the fender flares. So what we're going to try to do is we're going to try our best to we just marked us a hole. We're going to try to put 3 clips in there, and then we have a whole bunch of bolts, but we need 3 clips at least to go in this fender flare. What are we about to do? We're going to drill this hole right here, because we got this bed that didn't have no holes for the fender flares. So we got to go, we got the fender flare, we're going to drill us a round hole. I mean, we measured this thing out to the micron. That's how close it's going to be. It's going to work. It's going to work.
I like your confidence.
Right in the middle of this, right?
Yep.
Look at that, man. Cuckoo Jew.
Need a little blue.
Needs a little blue. Look at that. Man, check that out. Just a little bit of mountain ingenuity. We got that fender flare right where we need it to be. So now we got to do the other side. So I guess that's what we'll do while we're all set up. Man, this is going good. It's going good. We're gonna drill our holes into this one. We're gonna get everything together. We're gonna get that flare ready and set up. Takes a little bit of time, but this is the bed we found. So we're gonna make it nice. We're gonna make it look good. We're gonna attach it like it's supposed to be. We have done good work out here this evening. Me and JP, we just been tearing holes up. We've been getting big bars after stuff. We've been beating on stuff with a hammer. But you know what? I couldn't be happier with this fender flare right here. I mean, look at that thing. God, it's beautiful. I think JP got some green paint on it though.
Just a little.
You see that? Look at that.
I really like that green color.
Yeah, I know you was wanting to paint it that color and I talked you into cement, but
yeah.
But we got a good bit of body work to do on this bed. I mean, honestly and truly, it's not tore up, you know, but it's not perfect, you know, and we're gonna make it as best we can for what we've got. I mean, this truck, this come off of what, a 2001?
Yes.
Or what? Yeah, it was a 2001,
yeah, same
just
year.
like ours. So we, you know, the tailgate, it's in pretty good shape. I mean, me and JP, we worked on this where they had a big heavy golf cart or four-wheeler or something. They bent the tailgate all up. But look at that. And this right here, this is just to the south of us in Georgia. Look at that. Cobb County Toyota. Just to our south, man. You believe that? So we're gonna peel these, we're gonna peel all these off, peel the pre-runner stuff off. And this has got a little added attraction where it's got a carriage bolt that you grab a hold of to get the tailgate open. That's a good deal. That's a good deal. So on this side, you know, we got our fender flare on there too. We just got a little bit of body work, you know, the clear coat's coming off. It's just JP, how long is it going to take us to do this bed to get it looking like something?
It takes us two more evenings. We'll have it ready to paint.
So 2 more evenings, you know. It ain't too bad. I mean, they worked out of this truck. They worked out of it. So we're gonna make these sides look real good, and then we'll deal with the inside of the bed. I mean, it's the inside of a truck bed. We're gonna make that look real good too. You know, we just ain't gonna make it look like a brand new bed because it's gonna look like a bed that somebody's worked out of a little bit. We're gonna bang some of them dents out, and we're gonna do all that. We took the fender liners out. We've got this bracket right here that's bent up a little bit. We got to work on that. You know, but we have made good progress on this thing, and I'm excited. I'm excited for this truck. I mean, every time that I see it, you know, I mean, we got them sitting way over there, but every time that I see that little truck, I just get excited. And everybody that sees it, they're like, man, that's a beautiful little truck, you know. So me and JP, we worked hard on it, but I think we're gonna have to just pick up our tools and, you know, call it a wrap for today's video. But you know what? I want to thank y'all again. If you like what we're doing, be sure and give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. We read every one. Until next time, we're out.